Alright, good evening. Good evening, good evening. So what's up? FIDA data. FI has a bought for 1,500 crores. Intensity is continuously reducing. FI is a turning net buyer, so it's a negative. It's a positive sign indeed. 1,780 crores. DI is selling. DI is a support of the markets a lot, so it's fine. Compared to open interest, 16,000 has good put writing, followed by 16,200, 16,400. So there's huge call writing, huge put writing here in the 16,000 levels. So 16,000, 16,000, 16,200, 16,300, they like as good supports, followed by call 16,000, 16,600, 16,700 and 16,800 have good call writing. 16,800 is also a good support chart, resistance chart, right? So that's with Nifty and Bank Nifty. So there is more put writing than call writing. 16,000 will be the ultimate support. Coming to Bank Nifty, 36,000 is a good call. Resistance 36,500, 36,000, 37,000 and 37,500. They all have good call writing, and I think tomorrow will be an interesting day. Today was entirely flat day. Expecting a trendy day tomorrow. Let's see how it goes. Coming to the Bank Nifty support. The Bank Nifty supports is 35,000, 35,000, 35,500 and 34,500. So that's it for the Bank Nifty and yeah. So that's it for the day. This analysis. Coming to the daily chart analysis real quick. Daily chart tells me that continuous up move. Just a halt candle right now. Can't say that this is a halt candle and we'll go like this. No, it's not gonna be happening like that. It's not gonna be like this time. 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 This time the move is a little different. So this was the first target which we've achieved that. And personally today I didn't take any trades. So for tomorrow, the game plan is very simple. What I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna basically mark this and I'm gonna mark this. Okay. If the market goes above this, then I'm bullish. Okay. And if the market goes below this, then I'm sideways. Okay, I'm sideways for at least Friday. Okay, so tomorrow is very simple. Tomorrow if I personally want the markets to consolidate with a bullish biasness. I mean, consolidate meaning give a trendy move and then maybe for the candle can consolidate. But if you expect like a big move, like one more big green candle like this, then it's just not going to be very sustainable, isn't it? So tomorrow, even if it's fine, even if we break this, even if we come like this, it's 100% okay and it's all right. There's no need to worry whatsoever. 35,759, that's good support, and this is a resistance zone which I have marked 30. So yeah, so I'm just gonna get rid of this real quick. Yep, thank you. So for me, it's pretty simple. Game plan is very simple, and what we're going to do basically right now is that So what we're gonna do basically now is that this do I need it? Okay, let's just keep it. So as I've told you, I'm not bearish until we are trading here. Till the time we're not trading here, I'm not bearish. Okay, once we start trading here, that's the time when I'm bearish. Okay, so tomorrow, even if the markets come like this, okay, they halt here, that's still fine. Intraday wise, I want a good move because I want to trade tomorrow. Okay, and even if the markets come like this, even if they consolidate here, then again we can say that markets are consolidating, broad-based consolidation. There is still no bearishness even if the markets fall tomorrow. Okay, so I'll go to the 4-hour charts real quick and I'll show you the scenario. As you can see, this is the first nearby resistance. As you can see, we took a rejection from that. Not 4-hour, just go to the 1-hour charts. Yeah, this is the first resistance. So for tomorrow, what we can do is that we can mark. For tomorrow, we'll mark the previous day high and the previous day low. Okay. So let's say tomorrow I'm not expecting tomorrow actually I will expect a crazy move, but I don't know how it's going to be. Okay, I really don't know. For tomorrow, I'm confused that how are we going to trade tomorrow? What is the market going to do tomorrow? So for that, let's just take a quick darshan of US markets real quick. What are they up to? Okay, all are up. Alright, IT is gonna be strong tomorrow. Alright, so Nifty will be strong, so expecting a gap up in Nifty, and unless hopefully this thing sustains like this bullishness in the Nasdaq. But yeah, either ways we'll trade the chart. So yeah, so this is the hourly chart right now, as you can see right here, and like this flag pattern, this can do a good breakout. Okay, so for me right now this is still a pullback. Okay, even if the pullback comes to here and we take a retracement, then also it's fine. Alright, so what I'm expecting is that, as you can see, perfect price action according to me. So for tomorrow, it's either we come down more here, we take support at 35,759, and then we move up, maybe even end here, and Friday we can give this breakout. Okay, that can also be a possibility. So let's just go to the 15-minute chart for tomorrow's trade plan. So tomorrow's trade plan is basically, if we open here tomorrow, okay, if we open here, what we'll do, we'll basically wait for a compression and then a breakout. Okay, we'll mark our pivots and CPR. Note that there are seller stop losses here. Towards the end also there have been sellers here, so there are sellers available here, seller stop losses here. So know that, and there are buyer stop losses here. Okay, so it's maybe the market can be confused tomorrow, because it's the seller stop losses here, buyer stop losses here. Where do I go? There are buyers here, but I don't want to go. I don't want to give an overstretch rally. So should I just consolidate? Yeah, that is a possibility. But then again, tomorrow is a Thursday. What should I do? Many people will move their positions, monthly expiry, and etc. Blah blah blah. So what do I do? Do I go down? Do I go up? That only the market can tell you. That I can't tell you. Okay. So tomorrow there are various factors which can lead the market to go up or the market to come down. Okay. For me personally, I think that tomorrow, first 1 hour observe. Today also I told you to observe the first 1 hour, and the good thing you all might have observed, maybe, hopefully you all observe. First 1 hour, see what was the situation here. See. So clean move. But if you are an option buyer, then you just know that यार आज तो दिन नहीं है. You just know it. Okay, like the first 1 hour was so sideways and like so consolidating, and as you know that after a big gap up, and especially with the overstretch rally, you can't expect one more huge move, right? Like, because the markets have been moving so much, they move like 1,500 points, and you expect some consolidation. So as an option buyer, I think you might have not traded today, and I hope you didn't trade, and I hope that if you traded, then you might have bought a put here and you could have caught this, or you could have bought a put here and you could have caught this, and you could have exited 5 minutes before the market closed. I hope you did that. Or you could have bought a call here and then you exited here. I hope you did that. Okay, and so basically for tomorrow, if you open flat to negative or flat to positive, if you open here, all these sellers are trapped. Okay, and if we see this as a good breakout, then we can take a good bullish trade. Okay, previous day high is getting broken. I'll just quickly check the CPR for tomorrow. So tomorrow pivots, and yep, okay, so previous day high is getting broken, previous day high is getting taken out, also pivot is getting taken out. So yeah, basically net it can be a good trade also. After good consolidation, that too. So for tomorrow, if we open here-ish, we take a support from CPR, then we move towards the upside. If we break 36,184, then I think we can take a good trade. And tomorrow, if we open here somewhere, then we wait. If this gets broken, then we can see some good downfall at least, and that still does not mean we are bearish. For intraday wise, okay, sure, we can expect some good downfall, and maybe if the buyers are there, if I support, if there's a double bottom, then we can see a good rally, because Thursdays are very volatile and crazy. So tomorrow that can also happen. If we consolidate here, if we break this, then we can take a good trade, because this is a good support. Also like there are good sellers also here, and even after this huge rally, we are just taking consolidation break here, a healthy retracement here. So that can also be an option here. Okay, and if you want, you can also do this real quick. and as you know what I'm gonna do, you can mark the Fibonacci here. So this is also a good Fibonacci level. So unless so if you know the if we open here or something, and if we are respecting this and we give a good bullish momentum, then you can play this also. So it's fine, man. So like tomorrow, if we open gap up, you know, we can play this gap, we can play this breakout. If this breakout fails, then it's a no trade day, and we'll simply play this and this as the range. And option sellers can make strangles, straddles, whatever they want, and you know, they can do whatever they want. So yeah, option buyers, if we open gap up, wait for this to get taken out, then can we take a trade. Wait for this compression and then a breakdown, because there are buyer stop losses here, and this level is a buyer's accumulation zone. Okay, whenever the market touches here, there is some good bullish momentum. I'll go to the future chart and I'll show you proof that this level here, this level is a good buyer's momentum. Okay, so if your trade is coming here, and if you have entered here, please trail this or please exit, because you know you don't want to get caught up in this huge move, because tomorrow is a Thursday. Okay, so please be aware, please trade at your own risk, and please be vigilant and cautious. So yeah, that's it if you open gap up, gap down, and if you open flat here, then what do we do? We play this and this as the range. It's the harsh reality, but tomorrow if we open anywhere here or anywhere here, we wait for this or this to get taken out. Okay, and yeah, so if you want to play a straddle, you're definitely most welcome to. If you want to short puts or short calls, you're welcome to do that. But if you're an option buyer, don't buy a C here, don't buy a P here. Wait for either this to get taken out or this to get broken down. Okay, that can lead to a good momentum. If you want to play rejection trades, you can play. If you are a newbie, then don't. If you are experienced, then go ahead, do whatever you want. And if you are experienced, then I don't think so you should take any advice from me. So yeah, okay, so yeah, if I keep on, like, you know, messing up with the Fibonacci here, it still doesn't give me anything, right? Does it? Yeah, it gives me that, you know, we ended at a good Fibonacci level. Tells me that this, yeah, so this level is important. Yeah, this level is important. If this gets taken down, then we can see some good downside till at least here, yeah, till at least here. But provided we have a consolidation, because you know, this overstretch rally, if it will be like this, if it be then you will definitely get trapped. Here these people will exit their positions, and then you'll be like, yeah, option buying is scam. Fuck no. कंप्रेशन ब्रेकआउट हुआ ना, बहुत अच्छा ट्रेड बनेगा. ओके, इधर कंप्रेशन ब्रेकआउट नहीं हुआ ना, तो बिकॉज चलेगा, बिकॉज देर आर सेलर स्टॉप लॉसेस यार, तो बड़ी ग्रीन कैंडल बनेगी. So yeah, so net basically do so you can play that flat to positive. You know what to do. 35,759 and 36,184 are good levels. And coming to Nifty, you think that yaar, this is such a huge gap up, but yaar, this is only a 150 point gap up. So yeah, for Nifty, I will be bearish when we trade below this swing low. For Nifty, when we trade below the swing low and we break the point and figure chart, this thing, then I can consider it as a bearish sign. Or you know, Nifty can also do this. Yeah, it can come here, then again it can go up. Okay, because this is a gap filling. Okay, this is the entire gap. So Nifty can easily fill it. Yeah, tomorrow also it can happen. So please don't be afraid that yeah, shit, now the markets are bearish, now completely bearish, everything's gone, everything's barbad. No yaar, nothing's barbad. So yeah, I think 16,004, I think this can act as a good support level for Nifty as well. So if Nifty wants to come here, maybe consolidate here and then double bottom, and again we can see a good up move. So that's it for Nifty. One day analysis is not giving me a lot of information, so I'll come to here real quick. So yeah, Nifty is a little this thing. As you can see, this was today's day range. Okay, Nifty broke out from this range. Okay, so if Nifty we open here, tomorrow we open here in Nifty, or slight gap up in Nifty, let's say last back ends thoda negative, flat to negative, so we'll open here. So what will we do? We'll simply play this range and this range. Why? Because see, Bank Nifty will also be in this range, and if Bank Nifty doesn't move, high chances of Nifty are not going. So if we open here, we play this range and we play this range. Okay, easy, thank you. If you open gap down, if you open here, we wait for the retracement. Okay, because see, there's already selling activity, and why am I saying that these sellers can profit book? Because they sold at 325. This candle you can see, I'll show you, it's formed at 315. This breakdown only has happened at 328, where people exit their positions and you're not allowed to enter into any new positions. So it's either buyers have exited here, or like they have some broker which allows them to short the market here. Okay, so I don't know, I find this quite unusual, but I'm not gonna elaborate more on it. So know that these people can book their profits, and these people have their stop losses here, and they will trail it. Okay, they will trail it because they are scared that Nasdaq will open a gap up or something, and they'll get trapped, and tomorrow is an expiry, especially if an option buyer. So yeah, so basically there are seller stop losses on the upside, and there are some buyer stop losses on the downside. So there will be some confusion in the markets, no doubt, but that doesn't mean we are bearish. So if we open here, so we'll play this range and we'll play this range. If we open here, we'll wait for the rejection, and then we can take a good trade. Okay, if we open again, where do we open now? If we open here, we wait for a compression, a breakout here, then we can take a good trade. Or if we open here, we see this huge one red candle, or one like a candle like this, then we can mark this low. If this low gets taken out, then we can take a short trade, or else we'll have a sideways view, and unless this doesn't get taken out, we can't take a trade. Okay, so gap down, simple rejection. If we open flat, mark the first candle low. If the first candle low is long, is very big, that means you have to play the range of 16,500 and that Wix low. And if the first candle is it's a bearish, and if it's a bearish engulfing, then there is some negative bias in the markets, and be aware, you can take a short trade, but yeah, I don't think so that's gonna happen. So yeah, so don't worry about that. All right. So yeah, that's it for gap up, gap down, flatten here, flatter positive. There is no new major update, and I don't think so we'll open huge gap up. So even if it's like a huge gap up, then we'll open like 100 points gap up. Today we opened like what? Today we opened we opened 200 points gap up today. So if we open 100 points gap up tomorrow, let's say, if we open here, okay, so what do we do here? All these sellers are trapped. Okay, what we can do is that now we can plan for a retracement and a bullish trade. All right, and yeah, so know that if tomorrow we open here, these buyers, they are very safe now the market will rarely come to eat their stop losses. Now they are very safe. If we open here, then these buyers are at a danger, and these sellers are also at a danger. But if we open here, these sellers are trapped. So new chart pay, we'll have to find stop losses and we'll have to trade. Okay, so yeah, that's it for my Nifty Bank Nifty analysis. I hope that is helpful for you. I've given you where the stop losses are, I've given you the ranges, I've given you the levels, I've given you the psychology behind it, I've given you when I'll be bearish, when I'll be bullish, I've given you the good trades for tomorrow also, I've given you where the stop losses are, I've given you the gap up, gap down, flatten, gap flat to positive, again the FIDI data, I've given you the open interest data. And if you want me to match the open interest data, 16,000 is a good support here. 16,000 psychological support, as you can see. 16,000, this is a good support for Nifty. And yeah, so I think that's about it. And if you want me to maybe give you more support, 16,400 is what I've been talking about, which is this level. This is also good support. So till the time we are not below this, it should be a good positive sign. Until the time we are not below 16,000, it is sideways to bullish for me. And if I come to Bank Nifty real quick, 36,000 is a good resistance. Why am I saying 36,000 is a good resistance? This is 36,000. So these people have sold at the money calls, and they are very in the money. So if tomorrow Bank Nifty decides to gap up, then they are gonna be having a very, very tough time, because it's gonna open at 36,100, and there is like how much? There's like bloody 33 lakh contracts open there. Okay, not 3 lakhs, but yeah, oh my god, bro. So they will be in a huge trouble if we open gap up. So these 36,000 call sellers are going to be in huge trouble tomorrow if you open gap up, which evidently we should be opening. But yeah, man, I don't know what psychology they're going on with. Anyways, yeah, if you want 35,500 is a good support. 35,500, where is 35,500? Yeah, there is 35,500. I marked the level also. It was a like good level, 35,500. And 35,000 also you want to see. 35,000, where is 35,000? Here, 35,000. This is also good level, right? 35,000. 35,000 or what? Yeah, 35,000. Yeah, so this is 35,000 level. Sorry, my bad. Which level I was looking at? 34,500. 34,500 comes around here. So yeah, this is also a good level. This is a gap filler, and yeah, breakaway gap if you want to call it. So yeah, I think that's about it for Bank Nifty analysis. I don't think so there is any other analysis required. Mostly play the ranges tomorrow. Mostly, if we get a good breakdown, it should sustain, and should like tomorrow if we see a good move towards the upside, then it is already an overstretch rally, so I won't be surprised if we come here and then we again go, or if we consolidate here and then we give a move. So please hold your horses for the next big move. This big move has already happened. Option buyers couldn't capture it. Option sellers obviously did capture it. Happy for you. Love you all. And so yeah, if consolidation and then a breakout, then I think that will be a good trade for us. And yeah, so nothing negative from the global scenario. Reliance windfall tax has been cut. I don't think so, from to 17%. So that's the only global news, and that's not even global, that's domestic news. So I think that's about it, guys. I think I'm gonna end it right here. I'll take a leave, and that's about it. Please look at the SGX Nifty opening. So yeah, guys, thank you, love you so much, guys. Good night, bye, love you all. Thank you for everything. God bless you. Have a profitable day tomorrow. Yep. Please play the ranges, guys, and please don't mess up your one trading day for just don't come in FOMO, etc. So yeah, guys, I think that's about it for tomorrow, and I'll meet you for today, and I'll meet you tomorrow for the Friday's expiry, for the Friday's market. So yeah, let's see. Let's hope tomorrow we get a good move. Let's hope things are good, and yeah. So thank you for everything, guys. Love you all so much. Bye. Good night, and you're the best. God bless you. Love you. Have a profitable day.